Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn if you got your free Microsoft voucher from the AI Skill Fest 2026, then we are going to the next step, that is the best exam to choose and how to book it. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. When you will open the certificate this credential browsers, so here you will get a list of the certifications. So as per your role you can choose a certification, just like I'm an administrator, then you can go for the GitHub administrator, and there is a GitHub foundation is there. So other certifications are there. So here you can see there is a certifications. So all the certification you can go, and there is a you can find the GitHub administration and go other details. So at last you can find this one. This exam will offer the following language. So this is in English, and there is schedule using the Pearson view. So you can click on the exam, and price of this exam if you want to see in the Indian rupees. So this is a 3691. Okay. Next, GitHub Foundation. So this exam price is $99 USD. You can just schedule exam from this link, and just go through one detail. So if you register the organization work and school account, so your exam record will be lost if they leave the organization, and they will be unrecoverable. So always use your personal account. So I'm closing this. This is a Microsoft 365 certified, and here option is the schedule exam price is $165. So we'll go through the other steps, other role. So just leave this one. If you are a business administrator, data engineers, data scientist, and now we got for the AI. So this is the AI 900 is there. Then other AI engineer. So here you can find AI 900, one AI 900. So this is for the exam AI 900 and 901. So you can go through, choose your as per your requirement, and others are also there. Just like if you are the security engineer, so you can go with this cybersecurity expert. This is the SC 100, and other AZ 800 is there. So this is security compliance and identity fundamental. This is the SC 900. So this is the SC 900. So here you can schedule your exam. So you can go through the all the steps, and you can choose your exam. Just like I'm going to choose PL 300. Just assume that you can search from here also. So let me check PL. Okay, inside the security, just remove this one, then search PL 300. Let me give the hyphen. Okay, so PL now 365 is there. Certified security PL 200 is there. I'm not able to find the PL 300. What I'll do, I'll just go from the PL 300. So go from here also. You can search like in Google, and you can just select your exam. So that just schedule your exam option is there. Click on this. So there is option to sign in. So you have to sign in. If you don't have account, then you can go with the create account, or always use the personal account. Don't use the any office account or workplace account, organization account. So you can choose your account, and you can log in. So I'm going to log in with the my account. This is the username, and you have to provide the passkey or email address. password. So transfer to Pearson view. So you have to fill up this one, address to city, state, and other details. So one by one you fill up. So already I filled up. So this is the my detail and click on submit. And there is a three options are there. So do you have a one to take take your exam in person, the test center? Second is the online with the on view, and third is the on a private access code. So both the way you can go and just select this one. Let me open and duplicate one. Okay. So first one I will try with the uh, person with the test center. So when you click this one, so need the your photo ID, what you expect, and personal items. So go with the these details are there. So now click on next. So this is the language, exam language. So this is the English. Click on next. Click on yes, yes, yes. So now click on next. There is a Microsoft policy is there. So there's a cancellation policy, reschedule policy is there. So you can reschedule 20 hours before. After that, it won't allow to reschedule, and cancellation policy. And this will be also 24 hours before. Okay. And arrive the test center 15 minutes before the scheduled appointment time. So go to the next. Agree. And this is your detail. As per your detail, this will find the test center nearby. So here you can see map is there, and you just select test center which one you want to. Just like I'm going through the DBMS and 10 software. This is in Dhanbad, Jharkhand. So you can go with the your requirement. So I'm just checking one for the testing purpose. You check as per your detail. So when you check, there is option is next. So okay, anomaly detection is there. Anything else? Verify. Okay. Again, click there. Go to the next. So your test center is selected and date. You can choose your date. Just like I'm choosing for the testing purpose the 30th. So there is a explore more times. Here you can explore time. So there's a time slot 1:15, 1:30, 2 p.m. to 15 p.m. So these are the dates are available. The timings are available there for the particular dates. So as per your requirement, you can choose one of this and click on the book this appointment. So this is for the 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. So this is the page. You will get a review and confirm. So there is a exam is PL 300. This is exam. Language is English. Total time is it will take 120 minutes. Appointment on this on 30th June 2026. Start time is 3:30 p.m. in Asia and Kolkata IST time zone. And if you want to change, then you can change this one. Location. You will get your uh, test center details. If you want to change the test center, just go with this. This is the price is there. So next, proceed to checkout. Now, total estimated total due is 5740.70. Now I'm going to apply the code. I got a code from the Pearson. So this is the email address where we got the support at the rate pbstore.pearson.com. So you got this. This is the code. This is the voucher is for me only. So don't use this voucher. Already I'm using this, and this is a one time use only. So just copy this, and the expiration date is 18 August. So now I'm going to use this voucher. So click on apply. So here order details. So subtotal is 4865, estimated code is 0, and voucher is this, and redeeming all means minus 4865. This is for the AI phase 2026 R2 100% discount voucher. So final estimated cost is 0. You don't have to pay. Directly you go to the next. Here you can find all the details. So description, your exam detail, exam language, and total time, appointment details. So this is on 30th June. Time start with this, and your location. You are going through the test center, and exam order details. So this is your name, MSID. There is a total cost, and final cost is total due is 0 INR. Now this is the final page. If you submit this one, your appointment will book for the particular date and time. Okay. So this is the step by step full process for getting this. So choose your exam as per your requirement. Here there is a multiple roles are there, and you will get a email if you completed the person view. You got this one, then only this next step will work, and this is the one time code. So this I am using. This won't be usable for the next time. So we have done step by step full process. So if you are preparing for the Azure AI security data and Microsoft 365 certification, this guide will help you to make the right choice and save money with your free voucher. So disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com, and you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Link is given on the description. Follow the process exactly shown in the video, and like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag tutorial. Now we are moving to the next part. So this is for the test center. So now next is the, if you are selecting the option on online with the on view. So click on the on view. So there will prepare the take your exam on view. So your computer, your test place, your ID, and what you to expect. So use the computer reliable webcam and internet connection. Your test place room should be distraction free and private place. Your ID, there is a government ID, and there is a list of the government IDs there. You can use the Aadhaar ID and DL for the India, and other ID are there. So now click on next. Okay, got error. So I'm going through the next same process. So click on next, fill up the form, submit. So on view, click on next. So there is a English, click on next, and just go through this. Already we have done. And check this one, data processing, third party, limited license, face test space verification, and there is a agree. Okay, you must check. So I forgot this one. Now click on agree. So go to the English next, and choose your time zone. So this is right, Asia India. Select your date. You can select as per your requirement. So 28th. Now I'm going to book this appointment or explore more timings. So click on the explore more timing. Here timings are there. At available timings, you can go through this. Just like I'm going through the any of the timing 5 a.m. morning, and this will be check-in time will be the 4:30, and the exam will start at 5 o'clock. So book this appointment. Click on this. So here exam detail is there, PL 300 Microsoft Power BI data analyst, and there is a language, length, and appointment Sunday 28 2026. This check-in time is 4:30 a.m. and start time is 5 a.m. and the total price. And if you want to edit, available products are there. So if you want to add, then you can add this one. So now we are going to the next, or total details will be shown here, and you can enter the voucher and promotional codes on the billing screen. So proceed to checkout. So this is the billing screen. Here the add the voucher. And now I got the voucher from this one Pearson View, supported that as PV Store, Pearson.com, and this is a voucher. There is expiry date is this. So I'm going to copy this voucher and just use this one and click on apply. So instead of paying 4865, you are paying the 0 rupees. Okay. So now click on next, and this voucher is for the AI skill phase 2026, 100% discount voucher, and click on next. Here you can see all the details. So exam, there's a PL300, Microsoft, this one Power BI data analyst, and the language of the exam, and length of the exam 120 minutes. Appointment is Sunday 28th, and this one check-in time is 4:30 a.m. and start time is 5 a.m. Okay, so as available timings, you can just select this one and your name, exam for your name, your MS ID, Microsoft ID, and total cost and final cost is that. And finally, there is a submit button. When you click on the submit button, this appointment will book for you on the particular date and time. And just cancellation policy is that before 24 hours you can reschedule, before 24 hours you can cancel the exam. So be remember that, otherwise you will lose your voucher. So we have done the step by step full process. So just check your exam with the as per your designation or role. So there is a roles are there. So all the steps I have shown you, just like if you are a data administrator, database administrator. So these are the, so remove this. So these are the exams available, or you can search with the Google and you can go with the exam detail. Okay. So we have done this one. So completed successfully. So follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe to Chirag Mahto tutorials. Thank you.